Another weekend of Swiss wrestling. But today, things were not so easy for the boys. For some reasons, their opponents just didn't want to land on their backs. So it required some extra efforts to win these rounds. Okegebo doesn't give up. Also, Chijioke didn't get easy opponents. Though they do have the strength, they lack the technique to easily bring their opponents on the back. But Chijioke also managed to bite through. During lunch break, we went to see the pigs. It was a very hot day, and they were enjoying their shower. What a lovely place. And a good opportunity for Chijioke and Uchenna to gather some energy for the afternoon. Where they managed to win some more fights. All in all, a fun and successful day for the boys. 2 more bells for the house.